season changing, I don't know why. Your love for me is dangerous, but God wants everything to survive. But baby, we just
Yo, it's your boy Malachi, and today I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be eating this sushi right here for the first time. I never tasted this sushi before, right here. I don't know if y'all can see it, but that's what it looks like. Never had sushi. Never had sushi before, so decided to pick some up, try it. And, you know, since I never tried it, I decided to try it with y'all. And in case I don't like it, I bring me a monster to drink. In case it leaves like a bad taste in my mouth, or I just don't like it. To, you know, get the bad taste in my mouth. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you never miss a new upload. And turn post notifications so every time I upload, you'll get a notification. And give this video a fat thumbs up. And comment down if y'all like sushi or not. Yeah, you got anything to say?
Yeah, I think this is going to be the nastiest stuff ever. I'm not sure, but I've been wanting to try it for a while, so stop by the local Kroger this afternoon, pick some up. We'll try this kind out first. It's spicy California roll. It's got
You see it?
avocado, cucumber, spicy mayo, chili pepper.
Yep, if you want, y'all can go pick it. This is at every Kroger's, right?
Yep.
Y'all can go pick this up at Kroger's for $5.99. Yeah, he said he had sushi before. I never really had it.
I ain't never had it neither, really. So
Maybe his first
I
time
just
trying
guessing it's nasty because of the way it look.
Hey, maybe it's,
Malik had it before.
hey, maybe it could be his first time trying it too. But let's stop doing all that talking and let's get into it. How do you open it?
It smell like.
Smells pretty good.
It smell too bad.
Okay, what is this?
What is that?
Okay, so we got. Okay, whatever it is.
That's brewed soy sauce. Traditional soy sauce. That's the sauce you put over it.
That's this?
No, there's some more sauce you mix with that.
I might try that too.
Try that on a couple pieces and try it by itself.
I'm not gonna eat this whole thing.
Can you say something?
If it's good, I'm gonna save it. If it's nasty, what's this stuff? Where it moved? So guys, here it is. You got what in it?
Feel like it's got some kind of rice in it.
Here it is. It's a little messy.
Eat over this.
Never thought about that. But we're about to dig in.
They're good or nasty? Good or nasty?
It's pretty good.
I don't think so.
Hey, so stop trying it too. Yes, sir. It's good, ain't it?
Too bad.
It's not too bad. You want some more? So you like it. No, so you don't like it, but it's not too bad.
Not too bad.
It's not. It's honestly good.
Oh, isn't that spicy?
Now, I want to try some of this sauce.
You squirt it away.
I hope not. Let's go ahead. Grab this one. I'm going to try 2 of them with the sauce. Mm-hmm.
The sauce tastes like. You taste sauce. Fuck that. Yeah.
You like it?
That's soy sauce. I don't care too much for soy sauce. It's strong.
Nope. Nah. But this, but the regular sushi right here, that's good. It's not too good with this.
Try me one more and that's it. Trying to get one with much of that sauce on it. Trying to get one with the rest of that sauce on it.
Why?
Oh, I don't like all that sauce.
Never mix it together. Isn't this like raw fish?
I don't think this one is. So the raw fish one, it say raw on the package.
Oh, for real?
Then the other one, it was like some kind of shrimp with rice and stuff on it.
So, but the same thing as this.
That one for $9.99 that I sent you.
You might gotta start eating this, guys.
Yeah.
What is this?
What's that celery and stuff? Very good. Not too bad.
Not too bad. People was right when they say it's good.
Got a little kick to it now.
Wow. He does not like spicy stuff.
Might give me a hot brown.
Hey, if you need to get the spiciness out your mouth here.
I don't drink no energy drinks. Tell y'all, if y'all think this guy is too young to be drinking energy drinks, comment down below, please. Yeah, I think so. So comment down below if energy drinks is bad for a teenager.
But they're good though. You can't say they're not good.
They're not good?
Have you ever drunk one?
Yep, I don't like it.
Have you ever tasted one?
Yeah.
What kind?
I don't like them.
What color was the can?
I don't remember, but I taste a whole lot of different kinds. I don't like none of them. Because they all got that funny taste to it.
Who let you taste it?
I taste the ones Malik used to get.
Oh yeah, Malika used to get a lot of them. Yeah, man, but the sushi was good. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was.
No, it won't.
Like at first, when I see people eating them, I always thought they was always gonna be nasty.
Hey, the thing is, we ain't had no chopsticks.
Do you even know how to use chopsticks?
No. Do you?
No.
Well, we could have learned together.
Whoa, where did you get chopsticks from?
From the store, I reckon. Chinese store.
I don't even think there's any Chinese store in here.
Yes, it is. China Max up the street. You go in there, order Chinese food,
But
and get it from them.
when I was at school, and they give us stuff to eat. What was it? I know they gave us something to eat with chopsticks when I was in school. And they're trying to teach us how to use them, but I never learned how to.
Me neither.
Or I know you read it too, and you just do something with it and then pick up them.
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah. But at first when I saw the sushi though, I thought it was gonna be disgusting. Cause some people say it was good, some people say it was nasty. Comment down what y'all think. Do y'all think it's good? Do y'all think it's nasty? Just comment down below and tell me what y'all think. Got anything to say before we end the video off?
That's about it on this tape. That sushi was not that bad, that type, and there's plenty other types out there to try. So we might have to try some more in another video. So comment down below. Let us know what kind of sushi we should try next that you want to see us to eat. Just please make sure there's no raw fish in it.
Why not?
Salmonella poison
We don't poison
in your
people.
stomach.
We don't poison people. Alright.
Pesticides get in it, they say, can live in your stomach. Tapeworms,
What is that?
some that live in your intestines, and eat your food for you every time you eat, and you stay hungry
After you
till you get it out of you.
chew it down, all that's gonna go away good. So, but yeah, I'm about to end off this video. Comment down what I don't know what you really call this, like a challenge or whatever. But still, again, if y'all have challenges, comment down and let us know. If y'all got a food that you want us to try, comment down. If I ever tried it, I eat it. If I already tried it, I tell you if I liked it or not. But yeah, just comment down. Little someone back here getting a little tired.
Like always.
Why you get so tired, bro? It's already 10.
Work.
It's already 10:13 at night,
I work.
and I got school.
Bro, well, I gotta go hit the shower, so
Bro, I gotta go to the shower when you get out.
but to holler you. Later, YouTube. Peace
What?
out. Like this. And fat thumbs up.
Yep. Yeah, I got school tomorrow, so you know that sucks. But yeah, like I said, comment down what other sushi or food or whatever challenge, sushi, food, whatever y'all want. Just comment down below, and I'll do it. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and turn post notifications on so you never miss a new upload.
Never ever miss a new
It will
upload.
pop up on the top of your phone. And give this video a fat thumbs up, the fattest thumbs up you could ever get it. And we are out. Peace.
Hold back. I'm so paranoid, I'm so paranoid. I can feel the void, I can feel the void. Show me all the love and that